Now we want to take a look at the navigation tree and especially at my personal desktop. So I open the desktop and I have access to my personal settings. So here I can, for instance, change the password. I can select the language of the user interface, my time zone that I'm in, or my design team. Keep in mind that the design team might also be predefined by an administrator, so I might not be able to change or even see it here. Next is the project management module. So if I already have selected a project, it will just show up here. I can also create, of course, a new project. I can create new sub-projects for my project, and I also can create a new task. You just simply click on the button and now I would be able to create a sub-project, and I also can connect any folder or asset document to my tasks here. So this, on the first level, we see the project. On the second level here we see a sub-project, and followed by the tasks. The different background colors means again a different priority. So blue is low, orange is high, and so on. I can simply change any of the content of my task, for instance, by just simply clicking into the field and change the name. I can change the date, assign a user, assign any kind of documents or folders. I can change the description, set the priority, and also define a planned effort. In the second tab, I can view the Gantt chart. Again, here we'll see my project and also the status of the different tasks. Next, we take a look into the task management. In the task management, I see my personal tasks, so tasks that somebody has assigned to me. Here I can report the status of the work and also the actual efforts. The management tab is for the tasks that I have assigned to somebody else, so I can make corrections and I can see the status again. Next on our list is the favorites. Favorites are my personal favorites that I have selected to be in my list here, so I can easily access my favorites again. Checked out objects. Whenever you see an icon that represents a lock, it means that the item, the object, the asset, the page, the component has been checked out by my user. So if I open it, I will also see this item here. So the lock is closed, that means it's checked out. If I click on it, it will be checked in. I want to leave it checked out. Checking out any item means that it's exclusively locked by my user. So only I'm allowed to change the object and nobody else. So I have to check it in order to get other users or to provide other users access again to the objects. Messages is a collection of all the messages that I have sent to somebody. Publishing queue is a presentation of all the objects that I will publish in future at a certain date and time. So if I want to revert my publishing process, I can also remove it again from the publishing queue. Travel through time is a feature that is using the versioning, the automatic versioning of the system. So each time you publish an object or you change an image, you change a video, a document, whatever, it will be automatically versioned. So a new version will be created. You can compare these versions, you can roll back to a version, but what is important here right now, I can select a date for the content and for the design. So the design means the template, maybe you change the design of your website over time, and of course the content might have been changed over time. So you can just select the date and just take a look, for instance, at your website again, how it looked like back in the days.